When we have group data, it can be really helpful to show our data on a cumulative frequency graph. It can be very simple to quickly find the median and the quartiles or any percentile using a cumulative frequency graph. Let's start by discussing what cumulative frequency means. It's a running total of the frequencies that you've had so far. It can go up or stay the same, but it can never go down. We can add a cumulative frequency column onto this table. Our first frequency is 14, so we have 14 so far. Our next frequency is 12, so we can add this onto the 14 to give a cumulative frequency of 26. Finally, we can add the 4 on to give us our final cumulative frequency of 30. Notice that this will also be our total frequency. Let's have a look at these questions. To draw a cumulative frequency diagram, we need to start off by drawing a cumulative frequency column onto our table. Now, we're going to start off with the 4 because we've got a frequency of 4, add the 10, add the 36, add the 10. Next, we want to draw the cumulative frequency graph. It will go up to 60 because 60 is our highest cumulative frequency. And the first thing that we plot is the smallest value in the smallest group. Our first group is 0 to 1, so the smallest value is 0. So the first thing we're plotting is 0, 0. Then each of the other plots are the maximums in each group, so 1, 2, 3 and 4, against the cumulative frequencies. Finally, we need to connect these points up with a smooth curve. Be careful of feathering here and make sure they go through all of the points. Our cumulative frequency graph goes up to 60. To find the median, we halve this 60 to find 30. We then draw a line across from 30 to our line and then down. The value on the x-axis is our median. To find the interquartile range, we'll need the lower quartile and the upper quartiles. To find the lower quartile, we'll get the value that we used for the median, so the 30, and we halve this again to make 15. Draw a line across from 15 and down, and that is our lower quartile. To find the upper quartile, we add the 30 that we used for the median, the 15 that we used for the lower quartile. To find the upper quartile, we're going to draw a line across from 45. Then down, and it shows us that the upper quartile is 2.8. Interquartile range is going to be the 2.8, take away the 2.05, which will give us 0.75. The box plot will need the median and the quartiles, which we've worked out, but we will also need the highest and lowest values. The highest and lowest values are the maximum and minimum heights from the cumulative frequency graph. So the highest is 4 and the lowest is 0. Drawing a box plot for this will look like this. Let's finish with this. Discuss why a cumulative frequency graph can never go downwards. If you know, write it in the comments below. And you can come to onmaths.com or click the link in the description where you can access all of our free A-level papers and predictions, and you can even save your scores with a free account. This video is part of a larger A-level course that you can follow along with at onmaths.com.